You might have found many formulae difficult to memorize, as there are a lot of formulas in trigonometry. But we have a little trick to show you by using the super hexagon. With the help of the hexagon, we can learn and remember the trigonometric formulas. First, we take a hexagon with diagonals. We will be memorizing the following formulae. First is the cos theta, sec theta, cot theta and the reciprocals. Then we will be memorizing sine square plus cos square theta is equals to 1, etc. And we'll be also memorizing the complementary angles, which is sine theta is equals to cos 90 degree minus theta, etc. So let us take our hexagon first. Now let us draw 3 diagonals in this hexagon. Now that we have taken our diagonals, let us take one as the center and write tan, sine, cos, cot and cosec. You see that there are 3 C's on this side. C for cos, C for cot and C for cosec. And there is one as center. Now we have sine, cosec, cos and sec, cot and tan, which are reciprocal of each other. As the diagonals, you can go along the diagonals as this arrow is showing. When you take sine, the opposite side of it is cosec. So therefore the reciprocal of sine is cosec. And for cos, 1 by sec, meaning the reciprocal of cos will be sec. And cot, its reciprocal is tan. And the same is vice versa. The ones getting connected by the diagonals are reciprocals of each other. Now that these formulas are clear, let us move to the next formulas. First we take the one as center and then we write tan, sine, cos, cot and cosec, the 3 C's on one side, and then we take sec. Now what are complementary angles? 2 angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. So complementary angles are those angles, if you take 2 angles, their sum should be 90 degree. So for seeing the complementary angles, you go sideways, right side, from left side to right side. First we see sine and cos. Sine theta is equals to cos 90 degree minus theta. So these are 2 complementary angles. Then we see tan theta and cot theta, which is tan theta is equals to cot 90 degree minus theta. Then we see sec and cosec. Sec theta is equals to cosec 90 degree minus theta. And it is also the opposite of it, which is cos theta is equals to sine 90 degree minus theta. Now here, why don't we put theta for cosec, cot and cos? It is because that they are angles. Now that we have memorized this, let us move to the next one. Now first we draw our hexagon and the diagonals, then we take one as the center. We write clockwise tan, sine, cos, cot, cosec, which are the 3 C's on one side, always remember, and then we write sec at the last vertex. And now if we look at the triangles inside the hexagon, out of the 6 triangles, if we skip one triangle and take the another one, we get 3 triangles. In this, if we go clockwise in each triangle, then first let us look at the first triangle, which is sine, cos and 1. First we take sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is equals to 1. From the clockwise direction, we are starting from sine and then we are going to cos and then we are moving to 1. That's why it is sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 1. And then if we see in the second triangle, there is 1 cot and cosec. So 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. And the third triangle, if you see, we're starting from tan square theta plus 1, which is equals to sec square theta. Now the question is, what happens when we go in anti-clockwise direction? First, the direction is different, and also we have to subtract instead of add. So in the first triangle we start from 1 and then cos and sine, which is 1 minus cos square theta, which is equals to sine square theta. And then when we move to the second triangle, it is the same. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. And then in the third triangle, sec square theta minus 1, which is equals to tan square theta. There are a lot of formulae in trigonometry, but we have learned the following formulae. These formulae are important for 10th class, and see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed the video.